by the part of the mind that controls other unconscious parts of the body, such as the instinct to produce more saliva when you see good food. In 2008, there was a study called The Unconscious Determinants of Free Decisions in the Human Brain. The study confirmed that before our decisions enter the conscious portions of our brain, there are parallel activities that happen 10 seconds ahead of it in parts of our brain that are associated with unconscious behavior, and that what ends up happening in the conscious parts of our mind is an echo of a decision that's already been made 10 seconds ago. And by the time it reaches the prefrontal cortex, all that really happens is that we receive the sensation of choosing or the illusion of choosing, but the choice always reflects what happened 10 seconds prior. Which is really funny because in Ndiche, our ancestors believe that anything that's happening in Mmadu, or the world of the living, has already happened in Mmuo, in spirit. Now,